Hey there, Bear fam. Welcome to another episode of Bear Thoughts. Have you been bitten by the travel bug yet? This is the time of the year that travel is at its peak and everyone is looking to travel new destinations, exploring parts of this beautiful planet that they haven't discovered yet. And as we put on our travel boots, it's important that we exercise mindfulness on our travels. Post the COVID-19 pandemic, terms such as revenge travel were doing the rounds. Popular destinations such as Nainital, Mussoorie, and Shimla were severely saturated by over-tourism, straining the infrastructure. The situation had worsened to the point where the Nainital administration had to send tourists back because of the lack of parking facilities. Something very similar happened for tourists in Mussoorie and Shimla. A fallout of over-tourism includes an increased energy consumption and poor waste management, both of which pose significant environmental concerns. The most famous of this being instances like Kedarnath for careless waste disposal. The disrespect of local values and traditions by tourists is also an unfortunate outcome. The pressure laid on regions such as coasts, islands, rural heritage sites, and hill stations underscores the need for responsible tourism practices. Several tourist spots in India and the world are debilitating under the pressure of over-tourism. This holiday season, choose sustainable tourism. But how do you do that? Let us help you. For starters, select sustainable stays and accommodation that prioritize sustainability. Look for stays with elements such as rainwater harvesting, no plastic policies, solar or renewable energy, and locally grown farm-to-table culture. Staying in eco-friendly tourism accommodation also supports the local economy. We have a little role in making these accommodation spots more sustainable. Bare Necessities provides sustainable amenities in several eco-stays. One of them being Dholkar, which lies in the snow-capped belt of Leh Ladakh, and it uses solar-powered energy solutions and water conservation initiatives. Kav is another gorgeous eco-stay at Kabini. We believe in coexisting with nature, which is why our amenities and practices are designed with minimal impact. From eco-friendly toiletries to waste reduction strategies, every aspect of Kav is aligned with their commitment to conservation. You can check out our Bare Necessities books, playing cards with our Bare Sustainability themed card of decks, and shop for your travel necessities and reusables just in case you forgot them. And our Bare amenities are also now at Camp Nomad, a heartfelt, eco-friendly retreat that's nestled in an apple orchard surrounded by deodar forests, offering breathtaking views of the snow-capped Himalayas. Our products, from shower gels to shampoos and conditioners, are completely plant-based and naturally sourced. Packed in glass jars, they can be reused after. Not only are they gentle on the skin and the hair, but they're super kind to the environment, truly offering a sustainable zero-waste experience. And if you need eco-friendly amenities at your eco-stay, hit us up on info@barenecessities.in and we'll be sure to help you out with it. Now back to other eco tips that you can use to help reduce your impact during your travels. Choose an eco-friendly mode of transport. Opting for a mode of transport with a lower carbon footprint such as trains, buses, carpooling are great alternatives to flying. And if you do need to fly, consider booking direct flights and offsetting your carbon emissions through apps such as Climbs. When you reach your destination, explore the city by walking, cycling, or using public transport to minimize your impact while you travel. Pack a zero-waste travel kit. One of the easiest ways to travel sustainably is by minimizing single-use plastics and therefore carrying your own reusable products. Here are a few must-haves. A reusable water bottle and tote bags. Secondly, travel-friendly toiletries such as shampoo bars, solid deodorants, natural spa bars, moisturizers, lip balms, packed in a glass jar. Ensure a waste-free experience. And carry your own cutlery kit. You can have a little kit with a spoon, a fork, a straw, and a straw cleaner, which is going to allow you to skip on all those single-use plastics that you would otherwise generate. Support local and sustainable businesses when you travel. Traveling sustainably is also about supporting the local economy. Choose to support local artisans, restaurants, and shops that focus on organic and ethically sourced products. You would be reducing the carbon footprint associated with importing goods, and you would also be contributing directly to the community that you are visiting. Research the destination's sustainability efforts. Are there any local conservation projects which you can contribute to? These small thoughts make a big difference. Check your waste. One of the easiest ways to reduce waste and impact is by being mindful of your waste. Each time you head out to explore, make sure you leave no trace behind. Carry a small bag to collect your trash and dispose responsibly or recycle wherever possible. Sustainable travel is all about making intentional choices that can reduce your environmental impact, all while exploring everything that our beautiful world has to offer. Choosing sustainability is an impactful and achievable way to ensure that the places that we visit continue to remain charming and serene for the generations to come. Remember, travel means to explore and not to exploit. And with that, we come to the end of today's episode. And until next time, let's continue to make zero waste living the norm and not the exception.